So one of these is, so let me show you. So this guy, not this guy. This is the shell that we're gonna be putting together.
Oh.
So it is it's a structure, it's a metal shelf. Mm-hmm. It already cooked there, so I could tell it was the shelf in the box. It's not heavy.
Well, it's got a diagram on it.
Yeah, it's not heavy, feel it. It's really light. I'm not sure where I would want it to go. I could put it over there too.
Yeah, I'd say put it, maybe move the skeleton. Put it against this wall.
Move the skeleton?
Yeah.
Ah, man. I don't know if I want a skeleton.
That ain't cash money.
Huh?
That ain't cash money.
Yeah, you are cash
Well, I
money.
don't know what to tell you then, man.
Boom. So this right here, this guy is a power supply used for neon lighting. And the reason I bought this is because it produces 6.5 kilovolts of electricity. So I need 6.5 kilovolts to contract the muscle I'm making.
Jesus.
It requires that much force.
That's so much.
I'm gonna die. This is going to be the frame for the muscle. It's double-sided, stretchable rubber tape.
It's rubber tape. Okay.
So
like,
this stuff can be stretched out, elongated, and it can be used to and then I can put material on it, and it'll be epic. So that's what I want that for. Show to the camera. This is it. Yeah. I forgot what's in here. Carbon grease, baby. You run 6.5 kilovolts electricity through this motherfucker, and I'm telling you right now, it's gonna contract.
Yep.
So that's the whole point of the carbon grease, and now you can tell how the muscle's gonna kind of be built.
Bubble wrap.
This is a copper tape, because for the electricity to supply, and then we have acrylic.
Oh, acrylic.
Acrylic, yeah.
Remember, I got like a.
I
got like a half inch thick acrylic piece.
Yeah.
It was so thick. I
think...
used it for the top of my vacuum chamber.
Actually, hold on.
And it worked.
And the school bought it for me. So
Wait, do you have a vacuum chamber at your house?
No.
You don't have your own vacuum chamber at your house? Yeah,
No,
I don't know.
my-
I don't know how thick this is. How thick is it? Is it quarter inch?
It's
That looks like about a quarter inch.
I'd say it's a quarter inch. Yeah, I'd have to assume. So this isn't just for. So this is going to be partially for the robot arm, and then another thing for the future project of the hoverboard I'm making. You got it all.
The shelf.
You got it
Seeing as
all.
how it was made at the
Razor
bottom.
blade.
Nope.
No, he needs a razor blade. That's why I said.
Yeah, no, I got like scissors and shit. It's fine. We got a ton.
Not sharp.
Yeah, scissors. Scissors are sharp enough. It's tape.
Sharp material.
You're a sharp material.
Oh.
You
know for a fact he's tall.
Yeah, he's a tall blade. Separate out all the stuff. We're making a shelf. Shane,
No, it's up.
you're retarded.
Yeah.
Look at me. Look at me.
Your point?
You're
Your
retarded.
point?
John,
Yes.
you're retarded.
I knows what I is.
No, okay, so the reason for these rungs are because this thing can like be moved up and down, so it can be like changified.
I know
and
this
shit.
is probably gonna be the top of the bomb because these things have to go into here.
Yeah, okay, so
Yeah. So these ones are the bottom ones.
are they? Yeah, I think so. No, they might. Are they?
No,
are they
these
the
are most
bottom?
likely
No, I think they're
the
the top rungs. They might be the top rungs.
These are the bottom rungs.
All right, so these are the C rungs, and those are the B rungs. No, it is like that. It is like
It
that.
would make more sense if it was like this, though.
But it looks the
Nah,
same.
right.
Because you got the lip, and it can't slide off.
You are a lip. Your mom's a lip. Get zoinked.
Yep. My mom does have a lip.
We all have lips.
Your mom does. I guess your mom doesn't have lips. Damn.
I think you think you're better than me.
Yeah.
She doesn't
so-
have lips. She has shit lips.
Oh,
Yeah.
are you blasting my mom?
You just imagine if she just walked in the door.
just yeah.
Well,
yeah.
she doesn't.
Wait, no, I think it does. I think it goes this way. Why does it go this way? Hold on. Look. Look at. If it's like that, so why is it down? Oh, is it upside down like this? No, then why are these here?
Because that's the
I
base.
think these are rounded, so that doesn't make
Yeah, so
sense.
that's the top.
So that has to be
No, this is the bottom.
This is the bottom.
That's the top.
So it's like that.
It is.
interesting.
We
can go anywhere. We can do anything. Now that we're men. I changed my underwear.
Now that we're men, we can go to Chelsea.
Quest for the crown. We'll pass the test. Finish the quest. We'll pass the test. Finish the quest for the crown.
Yeah.
No, it's not copyright if you don't get paid. It's not copyright if you don't get paid any money. Subscribe. It's not copyright if you don't get paid anything.
Because you don't get paid anything until you get enough subscribers, right?
1,000 subscribers and 40,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours.
He went on a rampage in the monster
No,
world.
we went on a rampage in the human world because the humans killed Frisk.
Well, then what the fuck's Deltarune?
I don't know.
Deltarune's different.
Deltarune?
This Deltarune's different.
I haven't
It's the
played
past.
Deltarune. I didn't play.
Deltarune
I
is
didn't
a
play either
prequel.
of those.
But that was actually Kara, not Asriel. It was Kara that was the murderous one.
Okay, so
Yeah,
I need to
okay. So Frisk
move this.
So Frisk and Azrael went to the surface,
Mhm.
and Frisk was dying. But because Azrael was holding him, the humans were like, monster, bad, and killed Frisk.
Yeah.
And then Azrael absorbed Frisk's soul, and then went on a rampage and started murdering humans. And the humans murdered Azrael. And then his soul combined with the flower and created Flowey that Alphys created.
Oh yeah, Flowey's evil incarnate.
Yep.
Wait. So how was Flowey created again?
Determination.
Alphys was trying to revive Azrael, but she messed up and didn't give it a soul.
Okay.
So Flowey is kind of Azrael without a soul.
So it's just, huh?
I forget. It's been a while since I've.
So was it just a regular flower that just like embodied this thing?
Yeah, it embodied Azrael. You know, the
Okay.
son of Toriel and Asgore.
Yeah. Actually, I could just do. I could put it right here.
Is there a reason why you're back?
Is there a reason why you're punching my door?
Watch.
Yeah. John, I think I want to do this. Actually.
Ah, okay.
What's he watching?
I don't know.
Shannon, what are you watching?
Rewatch Passing No Stigma.
Huh? Oh.
Okay.
Up one. Eight. Nope. Down one. We're gonna watch Disney's What If after we're done.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Boom.
Shut up.
Yeah, my life sucks.
I don't like you.
Neither
disgusting.
will the 11 people who watch this video.
Yeah.
Neither will they.
Good.
All right. There. That's done.
You know,
Thank you.
I don't really care.
If 11 people who watch this don't like you, yeah.
No,
yeah,
I don't care if
neither
you
do
guys
I.
think I'm disgusting.
Why? We're your friends.
You should hate us.
Because my family doesn't think I'm disgusting for burping.
Dude, your family lies to you.
Yeah.
Dude, that sucks. I had no idea your family lied to you. Man, I didn't know your life was that hard. Dude, I'm sorry. You really be like, my mom thinks I'm beautiful, and then we're like, ooh, it sucks that your family lies to you. We didn't know how hard you had it at home.
Come, Heather.
You know what? This was a great investment. I love that. You know what? Buying that skeleton was a good investment.
Just come, Heather.
I'm coming. My God.
Get me off camera.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah.
I'm really good at smoothing Scotch tape.
Oh, really?
It's like it's not even there.
Is that your talent?
Yes, I can smooth Scotch
You can
tape.
perfectly smooth Scotch tape.
Yes.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the amazing Scotch Tape Man.
It's a blessing and a curse.
Shane, get out here. I want to talk to you about dual extruder 3D printers. I want to get a dual extrusion 3D printer.